Welcome back. There are a number of predefined modules in Python. They provide a lot of variety of features. And in this step, let's try to learn how to import a module and how to use methods from specific modules. Let's say I want to import a new module. I would want to do something. So let's talk about the math module, import math. Now, if you do math dot and press tab, it shows all the functions that are defined in the math module. There are a variety of functions which are defined in the math module, and if I would want to use any of them, all that I would need to do is do math dot, let's say I would want to use the floor function. Let's not worry about the exact functionality of the floor for now. Let's focus on the fact that math is a module I would want to learn and floor is a function that I would want to call. So 4.5, yep, it returns 4 back. Now I would want to find out a little bit more about the math.floor. How can I do that? I can say help math.floor. What would happen? It would show the floor documentation. It says floor returns the floor of x as an integral. So this is basically returning the largest integer which is less than or equal to x. So if you want to know more about a specific function, this is how you can do that. I'm doing a colon q to get out of it. If you want to find out help about a module, help math, and it shows the documentation where you can find the complete reference for it, and if you press the down arrow you'd be able to see all the methods which are defined in here. I'm typing a colon q to get out of it. One of the important things to understand about importing a module is when you import the module name, if I want to use the function, then I would need to use module name dot function. That's what we were doing in here, math.floor. The other option that you can do is import the entire module content directly into the namespace. So I can do from math import star. What would happen now is all the functions which are present in here come into the namespace. So I can directly call them floor of 5. I don't need to use math.floor anymore. I can do GCD of, I would want to find the greatest common divisor of these two. It's 2. I want to find the help, so I can say GCD. It returns the help for GCD. One of the important things to remember is when you import star, when from math I'm importing everything, then it means if you have any local variables with the names as these functions, they might get shadowed. Typically, it's not really considered to be a good practice to import everything into the namespace. If there are specific things that you would want to import and use them directly, then you can import just that by doing from math import floor, or I can say from math import GCD, the specific thing that you would want to import, and I can use that function alone directly. In this quick step, we tried to get an overview of how to use a predefined module in Python. So math is one of the predefined modules. What we did was we imported the math module, import math, and then we can look up all the functions which are present in there. We can also get the help using help of math.floor or help of math, and we also looked at how to import all this stuff from a module. So here we said from math import everything, and over here we were importing specific things. So we can from math import GCD. If math had specific classes, you can import them as well. If you like a module, you want to use some features from it, basically what you need to do is first import it, and then you can start using all the features that are present in that specific module. Until the next step, bye bye.